This is a chance to have the story originate in the village. And it's hard for outsiders to conceive of not having a voice in your own history. As if someone wants to do a project like this, we can support them from here. We can help them through the conservation process and show them how a museum works. We could even hold collections while they get started and help train people. We're very willing to do that, eager to do that. They can come out and dig with us for a while and see how it's done. So by working together, I think we can save this stuff. And someday, if we don't, people are going to ask why we didn't.